Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to delete chats on Snapchat. Firstly, launch Snapchat on your phone. Swipe right to access your chat list. Tap the shot where the messages you want to delete is located and find the exact message like text, snap, emoji, etc. you want to remove. Press and hold on that specific message. In the menu, tap delete or delete chat reply if it's a message reply. Snapchat will then ask for confirmation. Tap OK or delete chat depending on your version of Snapchat. This message will be removed from both your chat and recipient's chat if possible. Deleting a message doesn't guarantee the other person didn't see it, especially if it was opened already or they were in the chat at the same time. They took a screenshot, you noticed if they did. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.